Hello guys, I'm Daniel Hubert and today I'm gonna talk about the function and structure of the human heart. But first, let me show you how I make my 3D model of the human heart. Without wasting our time, let's get started.
Human heart. The cone-shaped organ is one of the important organs in our body. Throughout our lifetime, it tirelessly pumps oxygen and nutrient-rich blood to all our body parts. Our heart is located between our lungs, slightly tilted towards the left side. Our heart is made of a special muscle cells called cardiac muscle, and it is enclosed in the double-layer sac called pericardium. Pericardium protects the heart by anchoring to the surrounding tissue so the heart stays in place. Pericardium also prevents heart from overfilling. Our heart has two parts, left side and right side. Each side has two chambers, which are right atrium and left atrium on the upper chamber, while right ventricle and left ventricle on the lower chamber. The right side of the heart contains deoxygenated blood, while the left side contains oxygenated blood. They are divided by a wall called the cardiac septum, which prevents deoxygenated blood from the right side and oxygenated blood from left side from mixing. Now, let's talk about blood vessels in the human heart. In total, we have 4 blood vessels. First, we have superior and inferior vena cava, which transport the deoxygenated blood from the whole part of the body to the right atrium of the heart. After that, we have pulmonary artery, which transport deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lung. Then we have pulmonary veins, which transport oxygenated blood from the lung to the left atrium of the heart. The last one is the aorta, will distribute oxygenated blood from the heart to the whole part of the body. Next, let's learn about valves in the human heart. In total, we have 4 valves. We have tricuspid valve, discupid valve, pulmonary valve, and aortic valve. There are fibrous flaps of tissues that allowing blood to flow in one direction only, and then they close tightly, preventing the backflow of the blood. The tricuspid valve guards the opening between right atrium and right ventricle, while bicuspid valve guards the opening between right atrium and left ventricle. Together, they are called atrioventricular valve. Pulmonary valve guards opening between right ventricle and pulmonary artery, while aortic valve guards opening between left ventricle and the aorta. Together, they are called semilunar valve. Now, moving to the atrium. The atrium receives blood from different parts of the body. The right side receives deoxygenated blood through the superior and inferior vena cava. The left side receives oxygenated blood from the lung through the pulmonary vein. The atrium has thin muscular walls because they only have to pump blood into the ventricle, which already present right below them. Now moving to the ventricle. The ventricle of each side collects blood from the atrium and pumps it to another part of the body. The right ventricle pumps blood into the pulmonary artery, while the left ventricle pumps blood to the aorta. The ventricle has more thick muscular walls because the walls need muscle tissue to generate enough pressure to pump blood out to another parts of the body. By the way, the left ventricle is more thicker than right ventricle because right ventricle only pumps blood to the lungs, while the left ventricle has to pump blood to the entire body, which require more pressure than right ventricle. That was all for the structure of the human heart. Now, let's understand how the human heart works. From different body parts, deoxygenated blood is collected and brought into the heart. Deoxygenated blood enters to the right atrium through the blood vessel called superior and inferior vena cava. The blood now moves into the right ventricle. Now, in order to purify this deoxygenated blood, it descends to the lungs via the pulmonary artery. In the lungs, the oxygenated blood is purified, that is, carbon dioxide is removed and oxygen is added into the blood. Now, this oxygenated blood needs to be sent to all body parts. So, this blood will be going back into the heart through the pulmonary vein and then to the left atrium. From there, it flows into the left ventricle and leaves the heart through the aorta. Now, oxygenated blood will be distributed to whole body parts. After oxygenated blood sent throughout the body and become deoxygenated blood again, the blood will be brought back to the heart and the cycle continues. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you for watching and bye.